Everybody thinks I'm just a frumpy, grumpy gran who's only ever interested in tea. But come and take a spin on board my magic disco train, and pretty soon I think you will agree I am a super funky granny and I drive the disco train. There's more to me than biscuits, tea and chat. I love to keep it wild, adventure is my middle name.
And we have to say we weren't expecting that. Triggs, this is so cool!
I know, Maddie. I wonder what else Granny gets up to.
Are we all ready for takeoff?
Take-off?
I didn't mention that it was a flying train, did I?
A flying train?
Sometimes when I realize the biscuits are all gone and there's nothing in the house to dip in tea, I take a spin across the sky to visit Mr. Moon and buy a tasty box or 2 or 3.
Hello, I'm Mr. Moon. Any interest in a spoon or a candle or this tub of mayonnaise? I sell woolly socks and cuckoo clocks and this here fancy biscuit box and myriad things to brighten up your day.
She is a super funky granny and she drives a disco train. She is full of surprises, as you'll see. She loves to keep it wild, adventure is her middle name, but you really cannot beat her cup of tea.
Whoa, Triggs! I didn't know you could play the kazoo!
Now, Granny, what'll it be?
Can I have a packet of biscuits,
1 packet of biscuits,
a box of tea bags?
box of tea, no problem. Anything else?
Don't forget the sucky sweets!
Oh, thank you, Maddie. I almost forgot. And a big bag of sucky sweets, please, Mr. Moon.
There you go, Gran. A nice big bag of sucky sweets.
Thank you very much.
I'll see you tomorrow for the paragliding, okay?
Not if I see you first, Gran.
She's a super funky granny and she drives a disco train. She turns her life up all the way to 10. She loves to keep it wild, adventure is her middle